Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC electronically with the IRS. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth and compliant submission process using the IRS's free online portal, IRS. This guide will help you understand the requirements, prepare your information accurately, and successfully transmit your forms, saving you time and reducing potential errors. Let's get started with the basics of electronic filing. To begin, you'll need to set up an account on the IRS taxpayer portal. This involves a straightforward registration process to establish your access. Next, gather all the required information for your business, including your employer identification number and details for each recipient, such as their taxpayer identification number and payment amounts. Confirm your computer meets the system's technical requirements for optimal performance. Proper preparation at this stage is key for efficient filing. Once your account is ready, you can begin accurately inputting the recipient and payment details directly into the IRS system. Take your time to enter all the required information for each Form 1099 NEC. After data entry, it's crucial to thoroughly review all the information for any errors or omissions before proceeding. This step helps prevent rejections. Finally, submit your forms electronically through the portal, following the on-screen prompts to complete the process. After submitting your forms, always confirm the submission status with an IRS and make sure to retain your confirmation number for your records. This number is proof of your timely filing. Be aware of the specific deadlines for filing Form 1099 NEC to avoid penalties. Generally, this is January 31st for recipients and the IRS. Lastly, maintain accurate records of all your filings for at least 3 years, as required by the IRS. This ensures compliance and provides documentation if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.